Hello friends from YouTube. Here's David from lemonstar. Now I show you the demo for the FTA37. This mistake is very common in China larger format printer. Let me power on. When you power on the printer, usually you can see here has a 3. Usually for this mistake, it will be happen when you power on machine. It's very common after 4. Now we just wait 1, 2, 3. Okay, the errors come out. When this one, the LCD has a mistake, you also can see here. To power off and power again, the error is still here. Okay, if you adjust the power on, power off, the error will be continued. I show you. 1, 2, 3. We wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the error come again. See, come again. Contact us for the fast solve. We have experience and expert over 15 years. Contact us for details. But we are not free. Okay, if you want to pay, we can teach you the solution. Okay, thank you. Now I power on. lemonstar, sign making expert.